Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going Q2 of the weekly contest 372 separate black and white boards. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem. And this one was probably the easiest problem of the contest for me. May not be for you, I'm just saying that for me, because mostly because I struggled more on Q1. But yeah, the key observation or the first thing you need to notice about this problem is that n is equal to 10 to the fifth. So if you actually try to simulate it out, it'll be too slow. To be honest, my first thought about this one was some sort of merge sort stuff, and I think you can certainly do it that way. But there is something a little bit similar because there are only two different values, right? There's black and white bars, zeros and ones. So that's the core part of it. Like I said, you could do a divide and conquer. I guess it doesn't have to be merge sort, but any kind of sorting algorithm would do really. But I think merge sort is the easiest visualization. But based off that visualization of merge sort, I was able to come up with my solution, and my solution looks pretty straightforward. Um, in theory, but it is kind of if you don't know what I'm doing, this can look too magical, and this is where I'm trying to, uh, you know, hopefully help you out with it. But the idea here is just it is actually not a difficult idea once you see it. And I don't know that it is an easy idea to see. To be frank, I feel like I've used similar ideas in the past, if not maybe even the same. I just don't remember. But but yeah, that idea would get you far for this problem, right? And it allowed me to do it in about a minute and 20 seconds, which, it's pretty good for me anyway, for Q2. So let's say you have something like this, I'm just kind of banging on the keyboard with zeros and ones. It doesn't mean anything specifically. But the idea here is that whenever you see a zero, and you could do this in reverse, of course, whenever you see a zero, the number of ones to the left means that this zero have to pass that number of ones, right? No matter what. So that's going to be the minimal, and that's basically really the idea. That's the only idea. So, for example, if this looking at this zero, how many times does it has to get swapped? Well, you only swap if there's only one. If you have a 1 0, next to each other. So that means, and in this case, you have to swap twice because the two ones before them. So, for example, you do right, and then you would swap here. I mean, right now it doesn't have one, but you know that because there's one in the left, to get it to the end, you always have to always have to do the swap. So that's basically the idea: is that for every zero, you look at all the ones that on the to the left of that zero, and then sum it up. And that's basically what this code does. As you can see, it is linear time, constant space for real this time. So yeah, if we see a one, you count a one, and then when we see a zero, that's what the else is for. We count the number of ones that we have to kind of swap back, and at the end, that is it. Yeah. Whew. I mean, the number can be big. I don't know why they don't do mod. Is it a long? Okay, fine. I mean, I don't know. But that's all I have for this one, though. Let me know what you think. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy, take good mental health, and you can watch me solve this problem during the contest next. But and I don't even need that case. I just kind of misunderstood the problem. Okay, or like I off by one even understanding. All right, off to a great start. And boards on the table. Each board has a color black or white. Group. So basically, number of swaps. This is like one of those classic insertion sort or merge sort things, right? Maybe no, it's not even that. It's just counting, right? So yeah, 0, 0, right? So for what do I have to do? The zero is still fun, right? So so then basically, what does that mean? So if you see any ones, you have to swap, right? So yeah, so okay, so 1 to 0, 0. Something like that should be fine. Maximum XOR product. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest, this problem, the explanation, maybe everything in between. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.